Hello everyone, I hope all of you had a terrific weekend. As promised, instead of mashing up just one drawing per day, we're going to draw two now per day, and we're going to start this with some kitty related mashups. Alright, we are going to draw the Beal's family's request, which is a taco cat, and also Jackson Callahan's request, which is a pizza cat. Alright, I'm going to turn on my projector and we'll get started. Okay, as you may recall, there's no erasing, so I'm using a Sharpie. And if I'm drawing too fast, please pause the video, and you don't have to draw exactly the way I'm illustrating the taco cat. So here's drawing number one. Alright, I draw lots of taco cats. It's a palindrome. You can spell taco cat the same forward and backwards. Let's draw half a circle, alright, for the taco shell. Then close the gap. Okay, now we're going to start drawing a really happy, content cat. So draw two sort of angled lines. Alright, let's draw the triangle for the adorable nose. So this cat is so happy and content, its eyes are shut. Let's make the cat happy. Draw two curved lines, like half circles. Then draw three or more whiskers on each side. Alright, and let's add some texture on the taco shell. I'll add 15 dots. Remember, pause the video if you need to, and you can always color this later on. Let's add some fillings. Okay, so this is my vegetarian meat portion. You may recall drawing similar taco just a few days ago. Okay, I'll add some tomatoes. So I draw this by adding two half circles, then three lines. There you go, since it's around noontime here in Boston and I'm hungry. Okay, then let's add some more wavy lines for the lettuce. And there you go, and I'll add some cheese. Not a surprise, 15 cheese slivers. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 shredded cheese. Alright, our taco cat is done. I will sign this, and this will be mailed to the Beal family. Alright, our second drawing, I'm going to flip the paper because it has some marker dots. This one too. Sharpies bleed. Is going to be the pizza cat. Alright, I think I will first draw the cat. So draw a circle for the kitty's head. I love drawing the following because they're cute. Draw three triangles, one for the nose and two for the ears. Okay? After that, draw two circles, not surprise, one big and one small for the eyes. Then let's draw the pupils. Draw two letter C's inside the eyeballs. Okay, then fill them in. There you go. If you want, you can add details on the ears. Then let's make the cat happy. Draw two half circles, then whiskers. Okay, there you go. Now let's draw the pizza part. Let's draw a not so perfect circle for the crust. Okay, then draw another one. This is so much fun to do. Once again, it doesn't have to be perfect in your pizza. It doesn't have to be a complete, a whole pizza pie. It can be a slice of pizza. Be as creative as much as you want. Then draw lines to split the pizzas. I will make 8 slices. I love pizza. Okay, and you can add whatever toppings you'd like. I like mushrooms, so I'll add some mushrooms. There you go. So the mushrooms, how I draw them, they're kind of like, let me show you. This is how I draw mushrooms. They kind of look like mushrooms. Okay. Then I'll add at least one mushroom per slice. Okay. I'll add some vegetarian pepperoni. This is going to be really, really hungry. Okay. Then maybe I'll add some kind of shredded bell peppers. Yum. There you go. I think my pizza is done. Alright. And then I'll add some cute paws. One here. Another one over here. Maybe some paw details. Alright. Don't add legs. It's one chubby kind of cat. Some paw details. Alright. I think I'll add some stripes. There you go. Maybe on the cat's head as well. And the face. And maybe a tail. 1, 2, 3, just a whole bunch of stripes. I'll sign this, and this drawing will go to Jackson Callahan. Alright, this is the end of the video. When you get the chance, oh yeah, the Beal family and Jackson, please email me your address to smileyb@bataclan.com, and I will mail you the the drawings. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe on YouTube and hit the bell icon so you'll know when the next episode is released. Thank you very, very much, and I'll see you tomorrow.